fake foundation. Where the digging out becomes quite pronounced back here. Some really solid hinges on that door. Being dug out about 9 feet right here. The roof being quite short compared to where I am now. Going around the back side. This building becomes quite evident as the other building. The ground is much higher in the back side of this building than it is toward the mountainside. But we do have a river gorge between us and the mountainside. So that's why nothing coming all the way over to here. Highest elevation is directly behind me. Dirt here is very red also. Very, very red. I wonder if there was something else here at one time that is no longer here. Red brick structure or something.